Hello students, welcome to 60 out of 60 in KCET Chemistry 2025 series in just 200 days. So today we are going to start the last chapter of the entire series, that is your hydrocarbons part, and we will be today discussing the very basic classification of hydrocarbons and the nomenclature of alkanes part, which we have already discussed in the first organic chemistry chapter. Okay, so we'll be just revising and a quick recap, and then we will go for the today's class now. Okay. So let's get started here. So this chapter is very big, okay, and we have a lot of parts in this. So in the first part, that is part 1, today we'll discuss classification and alkanes nomenclature. In the second part, I'll discuss about isomerism and conformations of alkanes, and in the third part we will discuss about the alkanes preparation. Fourth part, alkanes physical and chemical properties, and then we will discuss alkenes, their structure, nomenclature and everything, and then we will discuss alkenes physical and chemical properties. Then alkynes we will come, structure, nomenclature, isomerism and their preparation. And in the next one, in part 8, we will be discussing the chemical reactions of alkynes, and in part 9, so as I told you, this will be really a lengthy chapter. So in part 9, we will be discussing about the aromatic hydrocarbons, and in the last part we will be discussing the preparation of aromatic hydrocarbons, physical and their chemical properties. Okay. So next, coming to the weightage here. So weightage, you can see 1 to 2 questions are asked every year, but yes, you should remember the concepts that is required here is very helpful for the organic chapters in class 12, right? So you should master this chapter definitely. Now coming to the first part. Okay, so students, here I want to give you a very important update. So that is regarding your PU2 success blueprint test series. So as you all know, we have launched the test series on 15th of December 2024, but yes, with so many students showing interest in this, so we have thought of giving you a discount offer, and this discount coupon you can use is, you can use XMAS 100, okay, or you can use AISH 100, okay. Any of these two coupons you can use, any one of these, okay, and avail flat rupees 100 off on this, and you can get the test series at only rupees 499, which will include 12 mock tests. There will be 4 part tests and 8 full length papers. The subjects covered will be PCMB and CS. You will have exam focused questions based on the latest pattern and syllabus, one shot revision videos, doubt clarification classes, and finally, very important, you will also be getting this video solutions with detailed explanation, all this at only 499. But remember, this offer is valid only till December 28th. Okay, so if you haven't purchased the test series till now, so please go to the description section, click on the registration link and purchase the test series as soon as possible before 28th of December. Okay, otherwise after that the prices will go high again. Okay, so students, that we are going to discuss the topics today will be your classification and alkanes nomenclature. Okay, so let us start now. So if you see the classification, okay, so first we have hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated and unsaturated. Okay, now I'll tell you what is saturated and unsaturated, but you should know that saturated hydrocarbons include alkanes and unsaturated includes alkenes, alkynes and aromatic compounds. Now let us discuss what is this saturated and what is unsaturated. So we know that carbon can form multiple bonds, right? So in saturated we have carbon-carbon single bond, okay, and in unsaturated we have carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, so this alkanes which have carbon-carbon single bond is called as CnH2n plus 2. They have a general formula of this one. For example, if I take C4, then how many H will be there? 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now if we have alkenes, the general formula alkenes of this one is CnH2n. Okay. So if I take C4, then it will be H8. Alkynes general formula will be CnH2n minus 2. Okay, so if I take C4, then it will be H6. Okay, Now aromatic compounds are something which is a different type of compounds, different class of compounds, about which we will talk in the class, in the session coming ahead. Okay, so now you understood. So first is carbon, hydrocarbons can have carbon carbon single bond or carbon carbon double bond and triple bond, saturated, unsaturated. For saturated it is alkanes, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2, and for unsaturated it is alkenes and alkynes. For alkenes it is CnH2n, for alkynes it is CnH2n minus 2. Apart from these, aromatic compounds also comes under the category of unsaturated compounds, but yes, we will discuss about that in the upcoming lectures. Okay, fine. What is next we have? So I already discussed what is saturated, unsaturated. So CC single bond, and here we have CC double bond and CC triple bond. This is called as alkanes, right? And this is called as alkenes, okay? And this is called as alkynes, okay? And if you know the general formula, CnH2n plus 2, this is CnH2n, and this is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, next we have come to the nomenclature. So in the previous class I have already taught you the rules of nomenclature and all. So in this class I am not going to teach you the rules again. So if you haven't watched, I will be giving you the description section, or at the end point of the video you can see a video where I have discussed about nomenclature rules and all. You can watch that and do this question once again. Okay, so first of all is we need to find the longest carbon chain, right? So if I see 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so if I count from this side, the nomenclature of the substituents come on third, second and fourth. If I do from this side, it is third and fifth, right? So I want second and fourth, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Now what happens, we need the name of the compound, right? So you see, first ethyl group will come and then methyl group will come. Why first ethyl will come? Because it is alphabetically coming first, right? So we have 4 ethyl, okay, then we have 2 methyl, okay, 4 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane, okay. Next we can see here, again you have to find the longest carbon chain. So if I see, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? And if I see from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yeah, so anyway you get the same thing. I think we will be getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so I will number it in this way: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Right? So on the third carbon we have 2 substituents, on the fourth carbon we have 1 substituent, and on the fifth carbon I have another substituent. Now this fifth carbon substituent is a branched one, right? So you should name this one again like this. So 1 2, and on the first carbon we have this methyl group. Okay, so now what is the name of this substituent? This is methyl, this is ethyl, and this is methyl ethyl, right? So if we come alphabetically order, then first ethyl should be named. So what will be the name of this compound? On the third position we have 2 ethyl groups, right? So I'll give 3,3 diethyl, okay. Then I have fourth position is methyl, okay, 3,3 diethyl, 4 methyl. Then on the fifth position I have 1 methyl ethyl, right? You can see on the fifth position 1 methyl ethyl. Next we have oct group, octane, okay, fine. Now let us go to the next 2 question. Okay, now if you see the longest carbon, you can easily find this will be the longest one: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You are getting substituents on 6 and 7 if you name from that side, but if I number from this side, I'll get 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5 are smaller numbers, so definitely the numbering should be done on this side: 1 2 3 4th position, 5th position, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Okay, so now if you see on the 5th carbon and 4th carbon, so we have what groups attached? On the 4th carbon we have methyl ethyl, and here we have methyl and propyl. So name wise this one will come first, so definitely I need to write that one first. So 4 methyl ethyl, okay, 4 methyl ethyl, 5 methyl propyl, okay. Then I have decane, okay. Now coming to next one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, or if you number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right. So definitely the longest carbon chain we will take here, okay. So I will get, if you see 1 2 3 4 5, and if I number from 1 2 3 4 5, so I can number it from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. And on the fifth carbon we have a chain substituent, so again you number it like this 1 2 and 3, 2,2-dimethyl propyl, right. So that is attached on the fifth carbon, so we will write 5, then 2,2-dimethyl propyl, okay. So this is the name of this substituent. Next, it is totally a straight chain, non-N, okay. Fine. Next we have got one more question here. So if you see, it is 1 2 3, and on the fourth 3, 4th and 5th, okay. So any side you count, it will come 3 and 5th. So anyway you can number it, and you should remember the ethyl group should get the least number because alphabetical order. So this one should be 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6 and 7. So I have what, 3 ethyl, alphabetical order, right, both are coming same. So the one which is getting lower alphabetically will come first, should get the lower number, right. So I have here 3 ethyl, then 5 methyl, then I have heptane. Done? Okay. Now, okay, so students, once again I want to remind you about our PU2 success blueprint test series. So all of you know PU2 results are very important to get into the top 1000 rank of KCET, and to help you with this we have this test series. But the exciting news now here is you can avail a flat ₹100 off in the test series price by using our discount coupon. So there are coupons you can use like AISH100 or XMAS100. Any of these coupon if you apply, you can get ₹499 flat on ₹100 off. And I already mentioned you before what all things you will be getting in the test series. So if you want to buy it, please do not delay. Go to the description section, click on the registration button and buy it as soon as possible before the price gets higher. Okay. Fine students, so that's all in this class. So it was a very basic class about classification and nomenclature. In the next class we are going to discuss about isomerism and conformation, so please do not miss the class. Okay, please watch this complete video. 11 to 12 videos will be coming and we are going to discuss everything regarding hydrocarbons. So thank you students, and see you soon in the next class.